Nature is the intricate web of life that surrounds us, encompassing diverse ecosystems, species, and phenomena. It provides vital resources like clean air, water, and food, sustaining all living beings on Earth. From the lush rainforests, teeming with biodiversity, to the barren deserts where life adapts to extreme conditions, nature exhibits remarkable resilience and diversity. Each species, from the smallest microorganism to the largest mammal, plays a unique role in maintaining ecological balance. Nature also serves as a source of inspiration, influencing art, literature, and culture throughout human history. Its beauty captivates us in the form of majestic mountains, serene lakes, and vibrant floral displays. Moreover, nature offers therapeutic benefits, promoting physical and mental well-being through activities like hiking, gardening, and wildlife observation. Despite its resilience, nature faces unprecedented threats from human activities such as deforestation,